Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering an essential feature of the iPhone's Translate app, specifically how to access and manage your downloaded languages in iOS 18. This allows you to translate text and speech even when you're offline, which is incredibly useful for travel or areas with limited connectivity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. To do this, simply locate the gear icon on your home screen or within your app library and tap it. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Apps and then tap on it. Now, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your iPhone. Scroll through this list until you find Translate. Once you've located it, tap on Translate to access its specific settings. Within the Translate app settings, you'll see an option labeled Downloaded Languages. Tap on this to manage your offline language packs. Here, you'll see a list of languages that are currently downloaded and available for offline use. To download additional languages, simply scroll through the list of available languages. Find the language you want to download, and then tap the download icon, which usually looks like a cloud with a downward arrow, located next to the language name. The download process will begin, and the language will be added to your list of available offline languages once it's complete. You can repeat this process for as many languages as you need. Just find the desired language and tap the download icon. Once the downloads are complete, you can now use these languages for both online and offline translations, directly within the Translate app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to access and manage downloaded languages for the iPhone's Translate app in iOS 18. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Also, feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.